So what we have going on here is we have to make a new radiator core support, or whatever you want to call it, because we're making a new splitter bracket. So in our previous splitter bracket, you actually had the radiator support and the splitter bracket, and they were tied together. In this iteration, we want to separate the two, so if something happens and the splitter catches all the damage, it doesn't rip off our radiator at the same time. Before, I mean, it worked great. We never had any problems with it, but we just want to give ourselves that little bit of extra. So Paul's hard at it. He's creating the new radiator support, and then we'll also, once we get the splitter tomorrow from Brad, then we're going to be putting that together as well.
I had a dream that one day there would be a splitter.
I think it was more like all the drama with the rear diffuser. Like, we're not going through that again. Like, we're just gonna have meetings like crazy to make it go.
Take me. So Brad's been working pretty diligently. We, like everything else, can never do anything with any type of, you know, real timeline thought out. But as you can see, he's got the main element of the splitter. Then we have the diffusers from the splitter. And then we have some of the other pieces for the splitter. And he's going through and getting all that taken care of for us. All we have to do is find just a wee bit of time. So we're actually doing a thing where we're gonna take the splitter to the shop, then we're gonna mount the splitter, and then we're gonna come back and then let Brad do some of his other magic and get everything put together. And then from there, we'll have our complete splitter mounted, ready to go attack.
So these are the diffusers for the splitter. These will be cured within, I'd say, a few more hours. We'll demold those, get these all bonded together, and then these are going to be bonded to the splitter itself.